The moment I stopped needing all the answers, something beautiful happened. Worry loosened its grip. Peace found my heart. And I realized I'm not walking alone. Something greater has my back. Settle into stillness. Let your body rest exactly as it is. No fixing, no striving. Just breathing, slow, unforced, natural. With every exhale, imagine the weight you've been carrying gently sliding off your shoulders. You don't need to solve your life in this moment. You only need to be here. Imagine standing at the edge of a vast, calm horizon. The sky is wide, the air is soft. There is space here. Space where answers don't need to arrive yet. Feel how exhausting it was to hold everything together on your own. Now imagine loosening your grip. Not giving up, just giving over. Silently affirm, I release the need to know everything right now. I trust the unfolding. As you breathe in, feel a quiet reassurance rising from within. A knowing that life has been guiding you longer than you realize. That unseen support has always been present, steady, patient, protective. Picture a gentle hand at your back. Not pushing, not pulling. Simply supporting. Affirm softly, I am supported even when I don't see the path. I am held in ways I don't have to understand. Notice how peace doesn't arrive with answers. It arrives with trust. Feel it settling into your chest, warm and steady. This peace doesn't rush you. It doesn't demand certainty. It simply reminds you that you are safe in the becoming. Repeat within, I don't need certainty to move forward. I walk with faith, not fear. Imagine yourself walking forward, not hurried, not hesitant. Each step lands with confidence. Guided by something wiser than worry. Your strength is quiet now, grounded, unshakable. Affirm, I trust myself. I trust life. What is meant for me is finding me. Faith now settles into your body, not as belief, but as certainty without words. It anchors into your spine, steady and calm. This is strength without force, power without struggle. Breathe into this still confidence. The knowing that even in uncertainty, you are protected. Affirm slowly, I move forward in faith, not fear. What is meant for me cannot miss me. Take a final deep breath in. Let it fill every place where doubt once lived. Exhale slowly, knowing this. You don't have to carry everything alone anymore. You never did. Rest in this truth. I am guided. I am supported. Someone's got my back. When you're ready, gently return, carrying this peace with you into the day ahead.